Welcome, in front of me is a DOOGEE mix, and today I will show you how to perform a hard reset of the device through factory mode. So to get started, you want to power off the device, hold the power key, and then select power off. Wait for the device to actually shut off, and once it has, we'll then hold power key and volume down. So about now, power key, volume down. And once you see the DOOGEE logo, we can let go. So from here, you want to use the volume down to navigate down, like so. And using that, you want to select clear eMMC right here and confirm it with power key. And once you tap it, it will automatically start wiping data and basically performing the operation. And once it's finished, we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is actually visible.